In front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage. Following that, click on one of your apps and apply one of the available options by hitting the best one. Allow only while using the app or deny. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up if you see this one. So when I go back, I can see that my app, in this case Chrome, no longer has access to this device's location. But you can also select any app and then to manage all of its permissions, click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!